Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to plan, schedule, and review an episode. Throughout the video, we'll be going over accessing the episode management dashboard, managing your episode's progress, adding a recording and show notes, and completing an episode review. Okay, let's get started. From the episode dashboard, click into any episode card. Podpal's powerful episode management dashboard takes the busy work out of planning, scheduling, and reviewing by guiding you through the common steps needed to prepare an episode for publishing and showing you the progress along the way. Up top, you'll find the members of your podcast team, a link to the episode, and 3 dots with options to edit settings, share, or delete. Your podcast artwork and status are below. In this area, you can update your schedule release date by clicking the status button. And within episode progress, you can see all the steps you'll need to complete to get your episode ready for release, including the next one you should work on. You may not always need to invite guests or schedule an interview, so the option to skip these steps is always available, but you can bring them back by clicking Restore. The episode status stays in sync with the progress you make, so you always know where you're at. When all the check marks are green, you'll be able to publish the episode immediately or on your scheduled release date. The episode management dashboard features a checklist that lets you add items to keep track of additional tasks for your episode. You can use the checklist to save reminders, add to-do items, and draft new ideas. It's also a great collaboration tool. Any podcast team member can also add and check off checklist items. To sort, drag any item up or down to move it to a new spot. Click the box to check it off, and click the X to remove it from the list. If you're adding guests or scheduling interviews, you can also track the completion by marking each task as done. This will update your episode progress and bring you closer to 100%. If you didn't add your podcast recording when creating your episode, you can upload it in the dashboard. Podpal takes common audio formats like M4A and MP3 and several video formats. We store your uploads for you, so if you've added other files before, you'll have the option to connect them to this episode by selecting My Recordings as your source. To upload from your device, select My Computer, or drag the file into a specified place. After your file is uploaded, you can download, replace, or remove it. Show notes are a crucial part of every episode. Add your show notes to the dashboard and use the editor to format the content how you like. Save a draft at any time, and the editor will leave a timestamp. When your show notes are complete, mark the steps as done to update the episode progress checklist. To publish an episode, you'll need to check off on your final review, or go to Episode Progress Checklist and skip this step. By default, the episode owner is assigned as the final reviewer. Add new review steps by clicking the plus icon. Once all review types have been marked as accepted, the review will be complete and the episode progress checklist will be updated. Episode progress is now showing green across the board, so the episode is prepped for release. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert.